No. Nothing is going up, okay? Up. Up is not an option. What's the urethra?
My class is, if you can't come on time, then don't come at all. An option that many of my students use. Shall we?
You don't think we should wait for him? Chandler, you're panicking.
Uh-huh. Join me, won't you? Okay, what do you say we keep one and then just, like, have an option on the other one?
We can't split them up.
Why not? Easy baggage claim.
Wrong. Now you're single. It's actually secret option number 3. You meet her at the gate. That way she knows you love her.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word option. It means the power or right of choosing. Also means something that may be or is chosen, choice. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce option, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to op. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how option is used in real life.
The only thing I understand is postponing it is not an option. This.
Do you want to go hunting? Well, I would like to have the option.
Hey, up. Up is not an option. What's the urethra?
Okay, what do you say we keep one and then just, like, have an option on the other one?
I understand is postponing it is not an option. It's actually secret option number 3. You meet her at an option that many of my students use.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.